Hi guys, we're going to do a Nintendo Wii install into the Ute, just for something a bit different, as it's already got a TV in the back with HDMI and that, so we thought, why not give this a go? So what we got, you got your main console, the Wii console there, all the ports and stuff in the back. So normally they come out with the RCA plugs, but since we run it in the back of the Ute, we can't use those, too much wiring, so they made a Wii HDMI adapter, so that will cut out a lot of wiring. And also on this side it's got a so the HDMI video cable there, and it's also got a I think it's a 3.5mm audio. Yeah. So that normally it's plugged into our head unit, the Pioneer head unit, and the AUX port. So that will give us sound. And also when the Wii comes out, they give you this one here, the sensor bar, which has got a cable in, which we can't use again because the TV's in the back, so we don't use that. But what we use is this this wireless sensor bar. I think about $6 or $7 on eBay. You run 4 AAA batteries, so that will sit in the back above the TV. Also, we've got the battery pack, so that's an ordinary. So we use that, and we use a 150 watt inverter. So that just plugs into your cigarette lighter, and yeah, so that's what we need to make it all run. Alright, so we're in the Ute at the moment, so we'll start with this power inverter, and we'll just do a temperature set up, so we'll put that in there for the moment, and then we'll cigarette lighter there, plug that in, and then we got the power adapter. We'll hide all the wires, and just do it quickly set up. So we get so we got the HDMI, so we'll plug that into there. Stops a lot of cables and excess stuff. So then we got the power wire, so I'll plug that into there. So that's pretty much basic how it sets up. So what we'll do, and then we got down here, so at the moment we've got a HDMI TV set up in the back, so we can just plug that into that port there, and on the head unit there we've got an AUX, so that port's just down there, and that will give you the sound through your stereo, and that should pretty much the setup. And now we'll go and turn the TV on the back and see how we go. Okay, so it's all powered on, and we've got the sensor bar that runs by 4 little AA batteries. I think it's AA or AAAs. So that's it there. So we've got the remote. We're going to play a bit of Wii Sports, just a bit of a demo. Bowling.
Nice square.
So yeah, the TV itself is 12 volt, one out of a caravan actually. Yeah, just wire it to a switch inside, and yeah, it does the job. Doesn't drain too much power, and yeah, so that's pretty much the Wii Nintendo Wii install. It's pretty simple, and just now it's just to hide all the wires, and yeah, I'll just show you where I've just put it. So we've got, so we can just tuck it just underneath here, and then it's hidden away there. And all these wires, we'll run them up the side there and into the glob box, and you won't even know it's even there. And yeah, we'll do another adapter for this behind the surround there, and yeah, it'll be all good. So there you go, not bad.